Hey everyone, Jason Bernier here. We're back at our completed universal design project. As you can see, our deck and screen room came out beautiful. We also made some gorgeous improvements on the inside. You might remember we took out a bedroom, opened up our living room, big cathedral ceiling, those 4 skylights up there, shining light down into the living room. We've got an open staircase leading to the 2nd floor. In the master bedroom, we combined 2 bedrooms. We also added a bathroom. When I first met with my clients, they wanted to be able to walk out here in the morning and have their morning coffee. We've added a tremendous amount of outdoor living space right off their master suite. No transition, they can come out here any weather that they want. They can enjoy their coffee, they can do yoga. This is an amazing space. With the renovations we've made, our clients can now live here long-term for as long as they desire. We've really created their dream home. Their universal design allows them to live fully indoors and outdoors at the same time.